name is Sachin Pratap Singh, discipline journalism, subject name media law and ethics, module name film censorship. Introduction. In generally, censorship in India, which involves the suppression of speech or other public communication, various issues of freedom of speech, which is protected by the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India guarantees freedom of expression, but please cutting restrictions on content with a view towards maintaining communal and regional harmony. Given the history of communal tension in the nations, according to the Information Technology Rules 2011, objectionably content includes anything that threatens the unity, integrity, defense, security, or sovereignty of India, friendly relation with foreign state or public order. In 2018, the Freedom in the World report by Freedom House gave India a freedom rating of 2.5, a civil liberties rating of 3, and a political right rating of 2, earning in the designation of free. The rating scale runs from 1 most free to 7 least free, analyzed from Reports Without Borders. Ranked India 8 in the world in their 2017 Press Freedom Index. In 2016, the report Freedom of the Press by Freedom House gave India a press freedom rating of partly free with a press freedom score of 14.1. 0-100 scale, lower is better. सेंसरशिप बाय मीडियम की बात करें तो सेंसरशिप कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होती है. फर्स्ट प्रेस के अंदर फिल्म, सेकंड थर्ड इज म्यूजिक, फोर्थ इज ड्रामा, फिफ्थ इज मैथ, सिक्स बुक्स, सेवन इंटरनेट. यहाँ हम फिल्म सेंसरशिप की बात करेंगे तो फिल्म सेंसरशिप से पहले हमें प्रेस के बारे में जानना होगा. तो प्रेस की क्या है. द इंडियन प्रेस currently enjoy extensive freedom. The freedom of speech maintained by the Constitution guarantees and safeguards the freedom of press. However, the freedom of press was not allowed as robust as today. In 75, the Indira Gandhi government imposed a censorship of press during the emergency. It was removed at the end of emergency rule in March 1977. On 26 June 1975, the day after the emergency was imposed, the Bombay edition of the Times of India, in its obituary column, carried an entry that read, DMO's crazy blob husband of Tiruth, father of Eli Braith, brother of faith, hope the justice expired. Hope on 26 June in 1988, defamation bill introduced by Rajiv Gandhi, but it was later withdrawn due to strong opposition to it. Film. The Central Board of Film Certification, CBFC, the film body of India, regularly ordered directors to remove anything it deems offensive, including sex, nudity, violence of subject considered politically service. According to Supreme Court of India, film censorship become necessary because a film motivated through an action and assert a high degree to attention of attention as compared to the printed word. The combination of act and speech, sight and sound in semi-directions of the theatres with elimination of all distracting ideas will have a strong impact on the minds of the viewers and can affect emotions. Therefore, it is as much potential for evil as it has for good and has an equal potential to instill or cultivative violent or bad behavior. It cannot be equated with other mode of communication. Censorship by prior restraint is therefore not only desirable but also necessary. In 2002, the film Bar and Peace, depicting scene of nuclear testing and the September 11, 2001 attack tracked by Anand Patwardhan, was asked to make 21 cuts before it was allowed to have the certificate for release. Patwardhan objected, saying the cut that they asked for so ridiculous that they won't hold up in court. And what if these cut to make it? It will be the end of freedom of expression in the India media. The court describes the cut uncontinuously and the film was shown uncut. In 2002, the Indian filmmaker and former chief of the country film censor board Vijay Anand kicked up a controversy with the proposal to legalize the exhibition of X-rated film in selected cinemas across the country, saying porn is show everywhere in India. And the best way to fight this onslaught of blue movies is to show them openly in theater with the legally authorized license. He resigned within a year after taking charge of the censor board after facing disparate criticism of his movies. In 2003, the India Censor Board banned the film Gulabi Anya the Pink Mirror, a film of India transsexuals produced and directed by Sridhar. The censor board cut that the film was vulgar and obscene. The filmmaker appealed the twice again unsuccessfully. The film still remains banned in India but has screened at numerous festivals all over the world and won awards. The satirists have applauded the sensitivity and touching profitability and marginalized community. In 2004, the documentary Final Solution. This is the look at regional rotating between Hindus and Muslims was banned. The film follows 2002 clashes in the western state of Gujarat, which left more than 1,000 people dead. The censor board justified the ban, saying it was highly provocative and may trigger of unrest and communal violence. The ban was lifted in October 2004 after a saturated the campaign. In 2006, 7 states Nagaland, Punjab, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh have banned the release of exhibition of the Bollywood movie The Day Vehicle Code and also the book. Although the CBSF cleared the film for adult viewing throughout India, however, the respected High Court lifted the ban and the movie was shown in the 2 states. The CBSF demanded 5 cuts from 2011 American film The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo because of some scenes containing rape and nudity. The producer and the director David finally decided not to release the film in India. In 2013, Kamal Hassan Vishwarupan was banned from the screening for a period of 2 weeks in Tamil Nadu. In 2015, the CBSF demanded 4 cuts, 3 visual and 1 audio from the art house Malayalam feature film Chanakyam Pooja Bedu, The Painted House, directed by brothers Santosh Vibhushan and Satish Vibhushan because the film contained scenes where the female lead was shown in the nude. The directors refused to make any change whatever to the film and hence the film was denied a certificate. in 2018. The film No Father in Kashmir, directed by the Ashwin Kumar, hit a roadblock with the Central Board of Film Certification. His two previous documentaries, Inshallah Football and Inshallah Kashmir, were first banned and then subsequently awarded National Award. Kumar has written an open letter to Prasun Joshi stating that the being awarded a certificate for independent film as God as banning the film. The filmmaker has appealed to the film certification applied tribunal FC 80. Thank you.